If you're broke, scrolling late at night, and honestly tired of fake make money online videos, pause. Please don't skip this because in 2026, normal people, not influencers, are quietly making money online with nothing but a phone. No investment, no course, no fake screenshots. And I know how that sounds. So I tested 7 real methods myself. Some were a complete waste of time. A couple actually paid. And one of them changed how I earn money completely. Stay till the end because I'll tell you which one to start if you have zero skills and zero confidence. Trust and relatability, honest, grounded. Let me be clear. I'm not a millionaire. I don't rent luxury cars. I don't sell courses. I'm just a normal person who got tired of depending on a single income. Everything in this video is free to start. If it doesn't work for you, you don't lose money. You only lose time. And honestly, that's a fair trade. Method 1, paid surveys. Let's get this out of the way. Surveys will not make you rich. But if you're completely broke right now, this is fast money. Apps like Swagbucks and Google Opinion Rewards pay for simple tasks. Here's the mistake people make. They do too many low-pay surveys. Don't do that. Use 2 or 3 apps only. Ignore anything that pays peanuts. Think of this as starter money, not a future. Method 2, freelancing. Most people think they don't have any skills. That's not true. You don't need skills. You need problems to solve. Simple things work. Writing captions, editing documents, basic Canva designs, replying to emails. People don't care how smart you are. They care how fast you help them. Your first goal is not money, it's proof. Method 3, short form content, hope, plus excitement, not hype. This video exists because of this method. You don't need to be famous, you just need to be useful or entertaining. Short videos don't pay immediately. They pay with attention first, and attention turns into income later. If you want freedom, this is where it starts. Method 4, affiliate marketing, calm, trustworthy. Affiliate marketing gets a bad reputation, not because it's fake, but because people lie. Don't sell products, solve one problem, recommend tools you actually use. People trust honesty, and honesty converts. Method 5, digital products. This is my favorite method because effort compounds here. You create something once and it can sell again and again. Checklists, templates, planners. People don't buy files, they buy saved time. Method 6, teaching online, reassuring, empowering. You are ahead of someone, even if you're a beginner. Someone out there is trying to learn what you already know. Teach beginners, they ask more questions, and they pay faster. Method 7, dropshipping. This one has big upside and big disappointment. If you want easy money, skip this. If you want to build something real, learn this slowly. Patience matters here. Bonus strategy. Here's what most people get wrong. They try to do everything. Don't. Pick one fast method and one long-term method. That's how normal people win. Not overnight, but consistently. Warm, genuine, human. If this helped you even a little, please like the video. Comment the one method you'll start today. I actually read them. Subscribe if you want real strategies, not motivation, that work in 2026. Pause. No excuses, no noise, just action.